October 26th and I've just now decided to think about Halloween. I'm a little bit late to the game. Since I'm late, I figured this would be the perfect time to do a little like last minute Halloween costume video to up the stakes. I'm not just gonna like show you guys normal Halloween costumes. I'm instead gonna go through my closet and make costumes out of what I already have. This is actually really sad because I had so much faith in myself. Boy, I was about to have my world rocked. I'm just gonna literally sit at my house. I will dress up though so that I can post a picture on Instagram. If you guys are like me and you want to take a picture and post it on Instagram, I got you. Let's think about some easy costumes we can do. Let's go. Welcome to my closets. This is very much so embarrassing for me, and whenever my mom watches this and finds out that I put my closets like this on the internet, she's going to be unhappy. I'm just gonna go through and see like if there's specific pieces that inspire me, figure that out, and then I'll like really get the whole costume figured out. Alright, first things first, I already have an idea. Leather pants. You know what these are giving me? These are giving me motorcycler. Period. There's one. Like I said, we're gonna figure the outfit out once I figure out what the costume is. There's hair stuck to my lips. I have like 55 berets, so I'm thinking French girl can be one of the outfits. I think that this one is like the most impactful because it's so bright. And that one, we could call it French girl or Emily in Emily in Paris. You know, little pop culture. This is my Juicy Couture jacket from 8th grade that I will be using to do a Y2K outfit. If I had matching pants, that would be immaculate, but I don't, so we're gonna figure it out. Actually, you know what? I know what I'm gonna do. This isn't one that I'm gonna like flesh out because I don't have the ingredients for it. Like imagine if you wore like a really fun sweater and bright colored pants and like some ski goggles and you were just a skier. I don't have the ingredients like I said for that, but just a thought. I don't know what I want to do yet with this pleated skirt, but I feel like everyone and their mom has this pleated skirt. So like if it's gonna be a freaking schoolgirl, a cheerleader, this could be many a thing. We're gonna set it aside for now. Okay, I have a sweater vest. This one's like kind of fitted. I have like some more oversized fashion-y ones, but since this one is fitted, I felt like it would be cute for Halloween. You know, have a little fitted, a little cute moment on Halloween. I'm thinking this will go with the pleated skirt for like a nerdy slash schoolgirl, just, you know, academia look, if you will. Okay, so I just had an idea. I'm trying to think about like things that I already own, like I've said 15 times. You know who I thought of? Blair Waldorf, because I have a lot of headbands. So I'm thinking if you have like a preppy dress, a preppy button-up shirt and skirt, or like a tie bow top type of thing. So I'm gonna find a preppy little fit and a headband so I can do a Blair Waldorf. God, I can't say her name. Let's find the most obnoxious one that I have, because it's a costume. Okay, this one, not obnoxious, I really like it. But it's like the biggest, most impactful one, you know? So it's like kind of costumey. Get this. I have a freaking tweed dress, but it's from Loft and it's business length. I got it for like $3, but like that's just not gonna be cute, you know? I don't think there's a way to make that cute. When I get done going through this closet, we're gonna go into some of my swap box from when I was in college and I had themed parties to go to. I will say that I have a lot of weird shit because of this. How many am I at? Does anyone know? Have you guys not been keeping count? Come on now. So first things first, I found this silver skirt. I hate to say it. I do. I hate to get on here and say space cowgirl, but I have
the supplies.
And I have silver cowboy boots. So, update, instead of Space Cowgirl, we're gonna call it Rhinestone Cowgirl. That's what I was last year for Halloween, actually, for one of the days, so it's a little bit different. I just got this top in. Isn't it so cute? It's like a little athletic-y material, super bright, like Barbie pink top. It's from Tara Elisa Designs, and she like hand makes all this stuff. Super cool, super sweet, love her. So anyway, this is giving me like 80s workout, you know what I mean? Plus the fact that she included a mask that matches and a scrunchie. So once I find some little like accessories to go with this, we're gonna have a prime 80s workout moment right here. I have this dress that I literally have never worn. I meant to get it fixed. It has some missing sequins. Never did. So cute. It's from Nordstrom Rack. The brand is Parker. See the shape of it and everything? This gives me very much so 60s mod. And I have some go-go boots. So I was thinking if you did like beehive hairstyle, some little twiggy lashes, it would be super 60s mod. So that's gonna, just a 60s girl. 60s mod gal. Now that we've started discussing different eras, I'm thinking flapper. This is a literal flapper outfit that I bought years ago and have never worn. It's actually like someone's dance costume. But anyway, now it's my flapper outfit. Oh, I wanted to figure out a cheerleader fit. I was a cheerleader, actually. Yeah, it was pretty good too. And I know that I have some of my old ones. I would love to just use that. But then on the other hand, where are they? Okay, I'm not wearing this as a costume. But if anybody wants to have a laugh, my high school cheer uniform. Yay. I am going to steal the white bow though and use it. Okay, I really want to figure something out that's super unique. You know what I mean? Okay, I just had an idea. It's not very unique, but I think it's cute. Audrey Hepburn as Holly Golightly in Breakfast at Tiffany's. Black cowl neck dress. I think this will be easy to recreate. That'll be cute. I wish I had like wings or something so I could make a fairy outfit. but I don't. I feel like that's pretty crucial to a fairy outfit. I mean, unless you just edited them in, but that's a different video. So what eras have I picked out? I've done 60s, 20s. Yeah, I feel like I should do something 70s. I got these jeans, which look like the Jaded London jeans, but they're from Amazon. And they give me 70s, so we'll do that. Figure that out in a second. Wouldn't it be really cute if I did like the Devil Wears Prada, but I don't have any of the supplies to do that, so just forget I ever said that. I think it's time that we go look at the pile of crap in the hallway up here. So this is another thing my mom's gonna be pissed over. So sorry, queen. Ow. So yeah, this is stuff I need to sell on Poshmark. Here comes my dog panting. Anyway, I put it all in this rack so I could get out of my room. Look at this dress I got. It's a knockoff of a Zara one, but don't you think it looks like a loofah? I do. A loofah costume. I have to look in the swap box. I'm gonna just come back when I'm done looking. I feel like that's really gonna round us out. I found a lot of stuff. You kind of saw this when we were in the hallway, but I'm back again to show you my loofah dress. Now, the thing is, I feel like this is gonna need a string, because you know loofahs like hang from that string. So I'll have to look, but I don't think it's gonna be that hard for me to find something that resembles a string. So, okay, I saw this. And it gave me 1950s poodle skirt vibes. I do not have a poodle skirt, nor am I in the market to make one. But you know what I do have is a pink, light pink midi skirt somewhere. I'll find it, kind of DIY that, and we're done here. Okay guys, this is actually really cute. Like, isn't this low-key so cute? The little 60s mod moment. Imagine half up, half down. Just pretend, okay? I also have some glasses that are kind of, oh my god, wait, hold up. This is hella cute. Is it not? Or like clout goggles? I'm dying. I like these more. I can't get my hair to do what I want it to do. Woo! I feel like this is how they stand, you know? Oh my god, I love this. Okay. 60s mod, period. I love it. This is also giving me Lana Del Rey during the early days, not what she's doing currently. Old Hollywood Lana. Oh, I love it. Okay, who's next? I'm a loofah. Look at these shoes. Pink feathers. You could do this with like tennis shoes and it would be fine. I know these pinks don't match either. Just ignore all that. Look at this. So I had these organza scrunchies that I got on Amazon actually. And I feel like they also give loofah vibes, so I'm gonna put my hair half up, half down maybe. I need a tie, a string, you know? Just to pretend, okay? I'm a loofah. A loofah. Huh? I'm like literally, wow. I think it's pretty cute. What do you guys think? I'm gonna be honest with you. Since we've already discussed that it's a loofah, we know it's a loofah. But imagine you're just at a, I don't know, you're on Instagram because we're not going to Halloween parties. So imagine you're on Instagram and here this comes. What the fuck would you think? You'd be like, huh? The only way that this could work, I think, is if I A, found a big white string, and B, if I edited some bubbles around me, or if I carried some white balloons so it looked like soap, you know? Otherwise, I changed my mind about this. On to the next. Yeah. I don't know, like maybe it's the fact that I haven't gone all the way in on the hair. Or maybe it's the fact that I don't really have any like 1920s shoes. But you know what I'm thinking actually would be cuter? Is if you wore this, wore some gold makeup, and said you were the sun. Or like a star, you know what I mean? Like in the sky. Yeah, I think that would be cuter. You could say you were a lightning bolt, you know? Something about me in this outfit, like I don't have long pearls, I don't have a bob, so I don't think that the 20s are really coming through with this. But I think if you have a gold dress, you could say you were the sun, or a lightning bolt, or a shooting star. Or if you have a silver dress, you could also say that you were a star, or perhaps the moon, or like maybe you and your friend. Like I could be the sun and then if my friend has a silver dress, she could be the moon. Or it's just like silver or anything. An idea. I don't. Please get better. Why is it not getting better? Okay guys, this is my cutest one yet. The 80s workout one, it's gonna win. So, at least so far. So the thing is, you wouldn't have to wear a giant windbreaker, it's just that my leggings are so see-through. By the way, I found these in my swap box. They're from Walmart. But this top is so cute from my girl, from Tara Elisa Designs. Her stuff is so cute. It's so soft. Like, I literally love it. Okay, my hair, I'm just trying to make it like an 80s little half-up moment as best as I can right now. Oh god, I have two different shoes on. I don't have leg warmers, but I just decided that I would just pull my socks up and pretend. I think I wore this outfit in college and I might have borrowed somebody's leg warmers. So I have on two different shoes right now. They're the same shoe, different colors. I meant to put on these. They're from New Balance. They're the 530s, but these are like literally the exact colors as in the outfit. Let me show you. Like the teal and the pink. Isn't that cute? I think this is really cute. I actually might do this. You just get like some little weights. You just hold those for a picture and then you put them down. Forget about it. Oh, ready? This is in case you have to go outside. Whole fit matching. Period. That's cute. You know, kind of cute because you can do it off the shoulder or whatever. Let's get physical. I'm gonna stop because I don't want to get copyrighted. Okay, yeah. Okay, hey, I'm just stopping in to say that I think I need to buy some leggings. Like, I know this defeats the whole point of the video, but I just wanted to say on a side note that I think I'm gonna buy some leggings that are hopefully a little bit thicker than these and actually wear this because I think it looks really cute, like as a costume. What do you guys think? Holding my hands here strategically. Okay, wait guys, now I want to do this. Now I want to do a Holly Go Lightly moment. Okay, so I don't have black gloves. Kind of sucks. I'm gonna have to get some, I think, because now I want to do this. I literally just put my hair in a big bun on top of my head, and I don't have a bunch of pearls, but I do have this one pearl strand and then just like some earrings that aren't what she wore, but they kind of gave me the vibe. Black cat eye sunglasses. And then I have this pearl hair clip. I don't have like the kind of tiara thing she has, but I have this little beret and just stick that right there. Okay, so she was wearing black heels in the movie, but I kind of figured a little comfy black sandal, you know, anything would kind of work. So bada bing, bada freaking boom. Okay, Halloween is literally coming up so soon. I need to take pictures in like 7 of these costumes. So the best part of this costume is that you can go get a coffee as a prop, you know? Cute, huh? This is so bootleg. That's what I'm gonna call this video. Bootleg Halloween costumes. Because that's what all of this is. Okay, so if I could acquire some gloves, I think that this would be very cute. Here's my little early 2000s Y2K girly fit. Oh god, I'm literally, fuck, that could have been bad. Okay, so anyway, I made this skirt a little over a year ago for my sorority's bid day. I got the sequin skirt at Goodwill, but then I glued the feathers on. I bought the feathers on Amazon. And then these shoes are also from bid day. You know the vibe. Okay, period. Juicy couture jacket, realness. I have a fake Prada bag somewhere. That would be really cute with this. Ooh, if you had like a dog stuffed animal. I don't. But you know what I do have? This dog statue. Bootleg Paris Hilton once again. I just found my graduation cords. This would work perfectly for the loofah. This is the freaking classic right here, homies. I found a Harley Davidson t-shirt in my swap box. A fitted one, nonetheless. This belt is from Princess Polly hellas ago, but it has like a silver gunmetal snake on it. These pants I thrifted hellas ago, but leather is so popular this fall that a lot of you might already have some leather or faux leather pants in your closets. And then I have this on with some Docs, a classic. And then I think what will really put this over the top is a little bandana headband moment. Hopefully this fits around my, yes, period. I mean, if I was gonna wear this like for real, I would probably straighten my hair and put some red lipstick on. This would be cute with a skirt too. Imagine if you bought those fake tattoo sleeves too. Low-key, this was a good idea. Vintage cheerleader. You feel me? 70s, 80s cheer moment with like the varsity striped sweater. I thrifted this sweater. I have it on with some crew socks. These are actually 2 different pairs of socks, so I have one folded down to match. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Anyway, I thought that went well with the pleated skirt because that's like super vintagey. Just a little pleated skirt moment, could be any color. A sweater, a v-neck sweater, or like a vintage school shirt, vintage sweater, vintage letterman's jacket, a bow. And there you have it, vintage cheerleader. It would be really cute if you had some pom-poms too. I do, I just don't know where they are. My camera died about 3 hours ago and I spent that time cleaning up my mess and editing. Honestly, I needed that little break. The editing taught me a lot. I learned pretty much that this video has turned into definitely a parody of Halloween costumes because this shit is not good. There's many flops, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna combine the schoolgirl, oh my gosh. What is wrong with me? We're gonna combine the schoolgirl and Blair Waldorf. Oh my god, I did it right. We're gonna combine those two. I feel like they were kind of the same thing, you know, preppy school uniform vibes. We're gonna do a little TikTok transition, ready? I don't like it. Literally, what am I supposed to do? We're gonna do a plain black headband instead because that was ugly. Yes, okay, that's better. I have on like some pink Argyle socks and black loafers, but I don't love the look of the black loafers. So what if we did like a heel? When I tell you guys I'm about to have a breakdown, what is wrong? Why is it that everything I put on is a dumpster fire? Maybe a white skirt would be better. You guys, I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm so close to my breaking point. I'm just gonna show you. We should remove Blair's name from this completely. I think we should remove the entire idea of the Gossip Girl series. If I even tried to compare this outfit to anything worn in that entire program, I feel like I could face legal repercussions. Like, this is slander. Give me a thumbs up. A crumb of engagement. Because I'm about to lose it. I'm about to delete the whole channel. Guys, I kind of like this. Okay. These pants were originally going to be a part of a 70s look. That flopped. I couldn't even begin. But then I realized, you know what? No. Let's do a little Britney JT. Let's do that. little full denim look. I have this hat that I found in my swap box, big denim jacket that I buttoned. I'm wearing this baby as a shirt. Period. I think this is kind of a vibe. Could be fun to do on your own, just as like a, you know, like a nod, or a little couple's costume, or just a friend's costume. I think it's super fun. This actually doesn't make me want to cry. Well, it should, because this is bad. It's definitely an improvement. Okay, this is actually really quite cute in my humble opinion. The hat flashes. It's got lights on it. Shirt is a For Love and Lemons knockoff. I just pretty much needed a shirt with like some rhinestones on it. I'm thinking like Dolly Parton meets Casey Musgraves meets that costume that every girl has been wearing of the whole like space cowgirl, you know what I mean? It's pretty cute though, in complete honesty. If I had a silver shirt and took off the hat, I would be a Tin Man, which is also a good costume. But I kind of think that this is kind of cute, okay? No wonder all the girlies are wearing this. Y'all were right. My little attempt at the 1950s. I don't have any Oxfords, but these little black heels kind of do the trick. Now I know this is not my posture. It simply can't be. You can literally see the cups. I had to put cups under this tank top, and you can literally see them. So anyway, I think all the components are there.
Are you happy to be in Paris?
Honestly, this is kind of cute. The fact that I would actually just wear this before the Parisians come for me. This is what Americans think French people look like. This is such an American stereotype. I hate the Americans. Consider this. You're right. I also hate Americans. So, I mean, you're not wrong. I've literally never left the country. I gotta make do with what I have. So anyway, ruffles in the blue and white stripes. I feel like French people love a blue and white stripe. I did a French tuck. Those of y'all who watch Queer Eye, you know what's up. Nice denim. These are the Levi's ribcage straight. Chanel Capto look-alike shoes. Cute, because I feel like the Parisians have money for Chanel. I have dupes. But anyway, and of course my beret. I went with a red one because the colors of the French flag, right? Yeah. This is actually a cute ass fit. I would wear this on Instagram. Okay guys, we're just gonna be done there. So as this progressed, it went from a legitimate video that I was being super serious about to everything was looking bad, and then I felt really bad about myself and I wanted to delete my entire channel. But then I was like, you know what, maybe you guys could have a laugh about it. Have a laugh, love. Okay, thank you guys. If you enjoyed this, if you laughed at my expense, don't be shy to give me a thumbs up, or maybe even hit that subscribe button. Okay, I love you guys. I'm so sorry that I've let you down. I really tried my hardest with this, but I think that instead of like, you know how there's like the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown, I think this was like the Great Disappointment Letdown of Halloween.